Dear enemy of nature, I am a defender of nature, and you won't take this away from me. From the grandeur to the smallest detail, the quiet afternoons, the outdoor snacks, the playful swims, the long walks. The word is spreading. You want to attack it all. But you see, Mr. Enemy, I am a defender of nature, and I believe that in the big picture, even the smallest creatures matter, and that all of this belongs to our children too, because it's my nature, it's our nature, it's your nature too. If we are many, we can stop this. Defend your nature. Send a message to our politicians. Do it now.